Good evening, and welcome back to another storytelling session. Tonight, we'll have a real honest conversation. Why you're afraid to finish your book. If you're writing right now, or maybe you were writing, you're getting close to the end. You might feel it. Hesitation. That quiet voice in your head asking, what are people going to think? What if they don't like it? What if it's not good enough? What if I finish it and it still isn't right? So instead of finishing, you slow down. You stop and you sit in that space between almost done and not done at all. Let's be real. It's not always writer's block. Sometimes it's fear. But here's the truth you need to hear tonight. Your job right now is not to impress anyone. Your job is to finish your book. That's it. Once it's done, then you can let people read it, whether that is family or friends. Or if that feels too personal, find an editor. And listen, not every editor is going to understand your story. I've been there. I found someone once who made me feel like my writing wasn't good enough, like it would never be something people would enjoy. And that hurt. It really did. Here's what I've learned. Not everyone sees your vision. That doesn't mean your vision is wrong. So I found someone else. This time, they got it. They saw something in my writing. It reminded me why I started in the first place. With many other reasons. Criticism will come. It's not there to break you. It's there to shape you. Let's talk about real life for a second. Writing doesn't happen in a perfect, quiet world. Life is loud. It's busy. It's messy. It's exhausting. Take me for an example. I'm a single mom, raising a 3-year-old, going to college, working towards my master's degree in healthcare management, trying to build a future, and still I write. Not every hour, and it might not be perfect. Sometimes it's just a few sentences, a paragraph, maybe a chapter, if I'm lucky. But I show up when I can. That's what matters. You don't need perfection. You need consistency. Believe in what you're creating. So a goal for yourself. Something real. Something that pushes you. For me, I want my book finished and published by the end of August. That goal keeps me going, even on the days I feel tired. Some stories take time, years even. That doesn't make you slow. That makes you committed. Because finishing your book, that's an accomplishment most people never reach. When you do, you deserve to celebrate. And when that time comes for me, and when I finally publish mine, I'm going to get a cake made, shaped like my book, with my cover page on it. I'm celebrating for 3 days. Because it's not just a book. It's your time, the effort, your sleepless nights, your emotions poured into pages. So if you're scared to finish, feel it. Don't let it stop you. Find that spark in your heart again, that reason you started. Hold on to that. Find that grit deep in your soul and keep going. Your story, it deserves an ending. You're not doing this alone. I'm right here with you, cheering you on every step of the way. If you like to listen to my content and want to listen to some more, please, I advise you, to subscribe to my channel and follow me on TikTok. Please come back and listen to me another night. Good night.